In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a failed order in your Easync control dashboard. If one of your orders didn't go through successfully, don't worry. In many cases, the issue can be identified and corrected in just a few minutes. The key is to review the failed order carefully, understand what caused the problem, make any needed correction, and then trigger the system to try again. To begin, open your Easync control dashboard. Once you're inside, go to the Orders page. This is where you'll be able to review your order activity and locate the specific failed order log. Take your time here and make sure you're opening the correct order, especially if you're managing multiple transactions at once. The failed order log will usually contain the details you need to diagnose what happened. After you've found the failed order, check the error code shown in the log. This step is important because the error code tells you what type of issue caused the failure. For example, it may be a source stock issue, which means the product is no longer available or currently out of stock at the supplier. Another common possibility is a locked buyer account, which can prevent the automation from completing the purchase. Reading the error correctly helps you avoid guessing and lets you focus on the actual problem right away. If the issue appears to be related to the source product link, inspect the item URL and confirm whether it has changed. Sometimes a supplier updates or replaces a product listing, and the original link stored in the system no longer points to the correct item. If that's the case, manually update the source product link with the current working URL. Make sure the replacement link leads to the correct product variation, quantity, and listing, so the fulfillment process uses accurate information. Once the issue has been reviewed and any necessary link update has been made, click Reorder. This will re-trigger the automated fulfillment engine and allow the system to attempt the order again using the corrected details. After that, monitor the order status to confirm that the retry proceeds normally. That's the full process for handling a failed order inside Easync. If you follow these steps carefully, you can resolve many common fulfillment problems quickly and keep your order flow moving smoothly.